What if the next Toyota Camry didn't just look more premium, but actually felt like a completely different class of sedan? This 2027 Toyota Camry, finished in chill wind pearl with a black interior, takes the familiar Camry formula and gives it a much sharper, lower, and more dramatic personality. Stay with us because the details at the rear and inside the cabin may surprise you even more than the front. Welcome back to The Expert Drive, the channel where we take a closer look at the newest cars, their design, technology, comfort, and standout details. Today, we're exploring this striking 2027 Toyota Camry, and from the first glance, it is clear that this sedan is aiming for a sportier and more upscale presence. Starting at the front, the Camry wears an extremely low and wide face. Slim LED lighting stretches almost from one side to the other, visually connected through a glossy black center section carrying the Toyota emblem. The daytime running light signature is clean and razor-sharp, giving the car a futuristic expression without losing its Toyota identity. Below that, the bumper is far more aggressive. A large black lower intake dominates the front fascia, while angular side openings create a strong performance-inspired look. Gloss black trim around the lower edges adds contrast against the chill wind pearl paint, and the sculpted hood gives the nose more depth. From straight ahead, the proportions make the Camry look planted and almost glued to the road. Move to the front three-quarter angle and the transformation becomes even clearer. The body sits low over large multi-spoke black wheels, giving the car a confident stance. The side profile stays clean, with sculpting through the doors and lower rocker area adding visual energy. Dark window trim and the black roof effect contrast beautifully with the pearl white body, while the sloping roofline creates a subtle fastback character. At the rear, Toyota has given the car an especially bold identity. A full-width red LED light bar runs across the trunk, connecting the tail lamps and emphasizing the width of the body. The Toyota badge sits above large, spaced-out Camry lettering, while the trunk lid features a subtle integrated lip for a sportier finish. Lower down, things get even more dramatic. A glossy black diffuser-style treatment is paired with 4 circular exhaust outlets, 2 on each side. Together with the vertical corner elements and red reflectors, the rear looks far more performance-focused than what many people traditionally associate with a Camry. From a low three-quarter angle, the car has a muscular stance and surprisingly premium road presence. Step inside, and the black interior continues the modern theme. The dashboard is wide, horizontal, and clean. A digital instrument cluster sits directly in front of the driver, while a large central infotainment display is integrated into the upper dashboard. The screen shown here includes a surround view camera interface, adding to the high-tech atmosphere. The steering wheel has a thick, sporty rim with controls on both spokes. Slim air vents blend into the horizontal dashboard design, while a subtle ambient light strip appears to continue into the doors. The center console is broad and substantial, with a compact electronic shifter, touch-style controls, covered storage, and what appear to be dual wireless charging pads. Soft-touch black surfaces, perforated upholstery, contrast stitching, and metallic accents give the cabin a more premium feel. The front seats also appear deeply cushioned and supportive. Rear passengers are not treated as an afterthought. The second row offers a wide bench with 3 head restraints, perforated black upholstery, and a large fold-down center armrest. The images also show dedicated rear climate vents and a control panel behind the center console, adding another layer of convenience. Even more interesting are the individual entertainment-style screens mounted behind the front seats. That is a feature more commonly associated with luxury sedans and premium SUVs, and it gives this Camry a genuinely upscale atmosphere. Above, a large panoramic glass roof opens the interior visually and brings more light into both rows. From what we can see, the strongest part of this 2027 Toyota Camry is how it blends familiar practicality with a much more expressive personality. The exterior is low, sharp, and aggressive, while the cabin takes a calmer, more sophisticated approach. Chill Wind Pearl highlights the body lines beautifully, and the black interior gives the car a clean, executive feel. Exact specifications and production equipment may vary by final market configuration, but from a design perspective, this 2027 Toyota Camry shows how far the nameplate can move beyond the image of a simple family sedan. So, what do you think? Does this sharper, more premium Camry make you want to choose a sedan over an SUV, or has Toyota pushed the styling too far? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this walkaround, give the video a like, subscribe to the Expert Drive, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next detailed look at the newest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.